We've actually been testing the Buick Envision for about the last year or so. I've run it through a whole variety of tests actually, basically putting it through the hot weather environment, running it through extreme heat, extreme dust, steep hills, anything that a customer would experience in this part of the country. It's hot most of the year, it's fairly dry, one of the driest places in the US, so we have nice hot temperatures to test year-round. One of the many tests we put the Buick Envision through is grit trough simulations where we run the vehicle through a mix of sand and water, really get the underside coated, very similar to a Southwest environment, monsoon storms, that sort of thing. We also use some fairly steep grades to test the powertrain capability of the vehicle. It really helps us evaluate different aspects of the vehicle performance, things that a customer would definitely see. We actually spend miles and miles and miles of driving the vehicle on a very dusty, unsealed road, so we get maximum dust penetration into all areas of the vehicle. One of the features that the Buick Envision has displayed quite well here in the desert is actually the triple door seals. That really reduces the wind noise that we hear inside the vehicle, and it minimizes to a great extent the dust intrusion experienced here in the Southwest. It's not just here in the USA, anywhere in the world, where we'll sell this vehicle, it's going to perform, and it's going to perform at a high level because of what we've done here at the test facility.